Hi, today I'll show you how to use the clipboard in WhatsApp. Many people think it's hidden somewhere in the settings, but it's actually much simpler than that. In this video, I'll show you where to find the clipboard in WhatsApp, how to open it, and what to do if it doesn't appear. We'll go through everything step by step, without unnecessary details or complicated explanations. At the end of the video, I'll also show you an additional method that can help even if it seems like the clipboard isn't available. So be sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything.